that what is chemical equilibrium. Mostly students ask some questions. So what is chemical equilibrium, where it is established, and what is main cause of the chemical equilibrium. So firstly we discuss about the chemical equilibrium. Firstly I want to give you a review about the reactions. On the basis of direction, we divide the chemical reaction into two parts. One is reversible reactions and other is irreversible reactions. Now, reversible reactions are those in which reactant is converted into product, as well as product is also converted into reactant. Means they are both directional, they are multi-directional, they are two-directional. They goes to the forward as well as backward. And those reactions are called reversible reactions. If you think about the second type of the chemical reactions, that are irreversible reactions. And irreversible reactions are unidirectional. It means they only occur in one direction. Means reactant is converted into product, but product have no any ability to convert into reactant. It means it's a unidirectional in which reactant is converted into product, and they only go to the forward direction. So when we discuss about the chemical equilibrium, we only study about the reversible reactions, because chemical equilibrium is always established in the reversible reaction. As reversible reaction, reactant go to product and product come to the reactant. If reactant go to the product, this is called rate of forward reaction. And when product back to the reactant, this is called rate of the backward reaction. Initially, the rate of forward reaction is fast and rate of backward reaction is slow. But as the time pass, a time reach where what happened? Where rate of forward reaction become equal to the rate of backward reaction. And when these two rates are become equal, that point is called chemical equilibrium. So what is chemical equilibrium? A point where rate of forward reaction become equal to the rate of backward reaction. That point called chemical equilibrium. And chemical equilibrium is only established in the reversible reactions. Now at chemical equilibrium, one thing is more, at a chemical equilibrium, the concentration of reactant and product both remain constant. There is constancy in the concentration of reactant and product. After equilibrium, when chemical reaction reach that equilibrium point, there is no further change in concentration of the reactant or product, and there it remains constant. And other parameters, other physical properties, color, density, mass, pressure, all things remain constant at chemical equilibrium. And chemical equilibrium only attained in the closed containers, it never attained in the open containers. So we are discussing this about simply the explanation of chemical equilibrium. Thank you very much.